Hello folks, this is Attorney Carlos Garcia from Garcia Law Firm in Tijuana. And today we are going to talk about child visitation and child support. I'm trying to do this video in general, and the reason why is because a lot of my clients are calling me to ask me this kind of questions. I created another video about divorces, and I explained a little bit about it, but I think this video is gonna find you better to all these guys which are not married, and or the guys who are married and they are just curious about these two situations. Now, please have in mind this is in general. So if because there are a lot of things we need to consider. So let's start by saying that whether you are married or you are not married, you have the right to see your child. And this is a very important thing you need to have in mind, because there are like many people having different thinkings. So yeah, married or not married, you have the right to see your child. But most importantly, your child has the right to see his parents. And this is a very important point to have in mind. And the reason why is because if we are going to a trial, the judge is going to focus more than anything in the superior interest of the kid. So he's going to be thinking about what is best for the child, not on the couple. So we need to have in mind this. And yeah, married or not married, you have the right to go and do this petition to the judge. So yeah, if you're gonna go and request the judge for child's visitation, usually the other party is gonna come and is gonna say, sometimes as a strategy or sometimes because they are not okay with what we are doing, but sometimes or usually this other party is gonna argue, okay, judge, this person is lying, and also I want to let you know that this person is not providing with child support. And whether it's real or not, sometimes one of their main reasons is because they are not okay with the amount we are providing, or they are simply want a little bit more, or I don't know, you name it. A lot of things could happen. But yeah, they're gonna argue, okay, he's not providing child support. And sometimes, the judge is gonna come up with an amount for child support. And what we can do is to make a deposit on a bank account, so we can have a slip of these deposits and proving that we are providing with the child support. Or we can go at the very courthouse and do this deposit. The most recommendable thing to do is to make deposit straight at the courthouse. So there is no chance for the other party to argue, hey, no, this guy is not providing with child support. So the best thing to do is to go and make the deposit, and you have a slip, and it is official, and you are more relaxed and have peace of mind. Another situation that is common, not that very common, but it's common, is that sometimes, usually the father, he is making the petition, hey, I want to see my kid, but my kid is not carrying my last name. So on the birth certificate, I do not appear as the father. And these kind of cases are not easy cases, and they are a little bit more expensive than the other cases. And the reason why is because we need to do these blood tests at the courthouse in order to prove in front of the judge that this child, it is indeed the son of this guy. Again, I'm mentioning a guy because usually are the fathers who are making this request. So this is the reason why we are focusing in these situations right now with the father. So I want you to know that this process is not fast and is not economical. But one of the reasons why this process is not fast is because of the amount of work that the courthouses are having. We only have in Tijuana 3 courthouses for all Tijuana and for all the foreigners that have family matters to attend in Tijuana at the courthouse. So yeah, we need to have this in mind. And a lot of people sometimes say, hey, the attorney is not doing his job and it's been taking so long, and what can I do? And I want to change my lawyer because he's a lazy lawyer. I'm not saying that exactly your lawyer is not the one to blame, but usually and on a regular basis, the courthouses are having too much work. And that's the reason why I suggest my clients that if they can do it, they go ahead and make an arrangement with this other party. This is gonna save you time, money, and this is gonna take these loads of pressure on your back. So you're gonna be more relaxed, and you're gonna be more okay with these situations. Another thing I would like to clarify is that whether you're a Mexican citizen or a foreigner, you have the right to go ahead and make this petition at the courthouse. And because a lot of people think, hey, because I'm a foreigner, I don't have the same rights as any other Mexicans, and I'm gonna have a hard time to try to be able to see my kid. So no, if you're a foreigner, yes, you can go to this courthouse and make this petition to the judge. Something else that I'm sleeping? No, I think everything has been said. I hope this video finds you well. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Or if you think these recommendations can help some other person, please share this video. And yeah, I guess this is gonna be it for today. And if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye.